Yeah.
1800. Oh yeah, 1800.
Yeah.
1800. 20, 40, 60. 1,008. No. Yeah, 1,860.
All right, good job.
Oh, let's go! Let's go!
What's up, guys? Hotshot, New England.
Gang, gang, gang.
What?
What's good, bruh?
What's your name, man?
My name is Julio Suarez.
Julio?
Emmanuel Salgado.
All right. So what are we doing here? Why am I here at your house?
I don't know.
Food truck.
Right
Food
there.
truck, yeah.
Yeah, we just delivered this food truck. You guys got the party going on, huh?
Yeah, we got the party.
Yeah, they got the party right there. They got some projects, some car projects in the back. All right, so yeah, we delivered this food truck to his dad. And look at this, man. We got a home delivery, right? What do you guys think? Home delivery with this big ass truck. Look at this huge truck.
Insane.
Yeah.
You insane?
That was insane.
Yeah.
You guys like what I did? How I delivered? What do you guys think?
Love it.
That was good.
Oh, sick.
Have you seen me here before?
I don't think so, no.
You weren't here last time,
I
huh?
don't think so, no.
Yeah, because this is my second time here.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so look at this. We got a home delivery right here. There's no way to do this but in the middle of the street. So we deliver in the middle of the street. And then I put this thing back on. And you guys saw that, this thing is crashed. So we kind of scraped a little bit. Sorry, guys, I damaged your street a little bit.
It's okay.
Don't snitch on me, all right? Please.
Nah.
Nah, it's okay.
Whew.
I like that, bro.
What day is today? Today's Saturday, right? Saturday, what, July 10th or something?
Yeah.
July
He
10th.
doesn't live here, that's why.
Yeah,
I
I don't
live
live
here.
Oh, you don't live here?
Down in Dade.
I live here.
Oh,
but
okay.
I
Alright, cool.
didn't- This is my first time though.
Yeah, I was here last time delivering another food truck for your dad. You like the GoPro? Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a YouTube channel,
What is it?
Hotshot New England.
Hotshot New England.
Like, share, subscribe.
Exactly. Hit the
Yeah.
freaking bell.
Hit the bell. Hit the ding ding.
Punch it.
Punch it. Tell them.
Punch it, bro.
Bam, there you go. All right, guys. So, hey, your dad bought me some sugarcane juice.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he told me he
good,
got some. Yeah, I like sugarcane juice.
Yeah, it's really good.
It was good.
Yeah, well, I'm about to try. I haven't tried it yet.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, he sent me a picture of the lady doing it though. And then they got some barbecue for me. They said I can go back there and eat. So I'm gonna strap everything back up, strap this up. Then I'm gonna go there, eat some food. I'm gonna go deliver this other step van right here. And then you guys already know, Monday, hit the road again, go back to Boston,
Party.
get this money. And little man here had a question for me.
How much you get?
How much do I make?
How much you get paid? Yeah, how much you pay
Like what? Per
paid.
day, per month, per year?
per month?
Per month?
Yeah.
Oh man. All right, so look. So this truck right here paid me $21.50. Then your dad paid me $18.50. And then I had another small little car in the middle, and that one paid me $1,000. So this whole trip was $5,000.
Dang.
Yep.
Bad.
5 bands.
You chilling already?
Chilling.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I'm trying to build a future. Like I have a house that I'm building in Boston. It's expensive, like, so we can rent it, make some money.
That's right.
I'm like your dad. Your dad's an entrepreneur. He builds trucks, makes money. So their dad, buys these food trucks.
And he takes them apart and he puts them back together.
Yeah, and he makes them better and then pays them.
Yeah, he makes them better, sells them, and then that's what I do too. I try to make money. We're entrepreneurs, so I'm trying to make money, but I also keep my equipment in good shape, so I make good money. I keep my tires in great shape, as you guys can see right there.
That tread.
Yeah, you see, I got a lot of tread on my tire. My drive tires are brand spanking new, so that's what we do.
That's it right there.
You like my truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. They like my truck, guys. All right. Cool. If the kids have the okay, then we're good, because kids never lie, right?
Exactly.
All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna go eat some food, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Like, share, subscribe.
Peace.
And there's the boss. He's the big boss right here. Your kids want to go on YouTube, so I had to bring out the camera. And he's the big boss with the food truck.
Eh?
Yeah. And what's your name?
Julio,
Julio, my
Julio,
good friend
Julio
Julio. My second time coming here. Good customer right here.
in Florida.
Yep. Actually, this customer came from Fluffertrucker. His name is Fluffertrucker on on Instagram. So, buddy, appreciate the customer, and see you guys later. How much money we got there, man?
It's your money, not mine.
I know, but you're counting the money though. You gotta make sure it's the right amount of money.
1,620, 40, 60, 80, 17,000. Ooh, you have hella money. Okay, so 1,720, 40, 60, 80, 18,000.
Not 18,000. 18.
18,020.
No, 1,800.
1,800.
Yeah.
1,800. Oh yeah, 1,800.
Yeah.
1,820.
Yeah, 18,000 would be.
20, 40, 60.